Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by writing blog posts online. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. If you're looking to make money by writing blog posts, also you want to start your own blog, you need to write ones that are engaging, informative, and optimized for search engines if you want to see the real result. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to write blog posts that earn you money online. We'll start by discussing what you need to know to make money by writing blog posts. First, you need to understand your audience. Who are they? What do they want to read about? What kind of information do they need? After you identify your target audience, you can begin creating content that resonates with them. Second, you need to make sure your content is well written and engaging. Second, you need to make sure your content is well written and engaging. If your blog post is boring, no one will read it. Make sure your posts are interesting, informative, and easy to read. Use headlines and subheadings to break up your text, and use images, infographics, and videos to add visual interest. Third, you need to optimize your blog posts for search engines. This means using keywords throughout your post so that people can find it when they search for topics related to what you've written about. If you're not sure how to do this, there are plenty of resources available online that can help you out. Fourth, once you've written your post, don't forget to promote it. Share it on social media, email it out to your subscribers, and run paid ads if necessary. The more people who see your post, the more likely it is that someone will click through and read it, which means more traffic for your site and more potential earnings for you. Next, we'll discuss what you need to include in your blog posts to make money by writing online. First, we'll talk about how to write attention-grabbing headlines. A headline has crucial importance to the first impression of your visitors. You want to make sure it's attention-grabbing and compels them to click through and read your content. We'll also cover how to write compelling content. Once you've got a reader's attention with your headline, you need to deliver compelling, interesting, and informative content. This means writing clearly and concisely, using strong storytelling, structuring your content logically, and including visuals to break up the text and make your post more engaging. There you have it, all the tools you need to start making money from your blog by writing effective and engaging blog posts that are optimized for search engines and promoted to the right audience. Remember to understand your target audience, create interesting and well-written content, optimize for search engines, and promote your post for maximum reach. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the Earnings 101 channel, and visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online.